Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rachel. If you are new to the channel, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. This is my Walgreens haul for this week. It's really small, but it's mighty. This right here made me $24.67. So if you want to see how I picked up all of these items, keep on watching. As well, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my deals. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm picking up is one of these Neutrogena bars at $3.49. When you buy two products, you get a third one free, and this is going to be my free product. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate on this Neutrogena bar. Now the next thing I'm picking up is one of the Vaseline jelly, and that's $5.79. I do not have any coupons, but there is a $2 paper coupon you can use on this. Next, I'm going to pick up one of the lotion. It's $4.29, and there is a $2 coupon. I don't have any at all. Purchasing both items. This is a Shopkicks deal that I saw on Jody Don's channel. So you're going to get 1,350 kicks back, as well as 20 scanned kicks for each product, which is $5.56. If you use those two coupons, you would it will be free for you, but I don't have any coupons. So that's my first product. Now, the next thing I'm picking up is two of the Silhouette. They're on sale, 2 for $10. I have a 5 off of 2 digital. That's an older coupon. And Ibotta is giving back $4 when you purchase one. That's going to be $8. And you're going to pay $5, getting $8 back, making it completely free and a $3 moneymaker. Okay, guys, so the next item I'm picking up is two of these Axe body wash. Regular price at $4.99. This week they're on sale, 2 for $8. There is a digital coupon for $5.99 off when you purchase two. So you're going to pick up two. $5.99 is going to come off. You're going to pay $2, but you're going to get a $2 register reward back when you purchase two. Okay, so the first deal I'm going to start with is the Depend Silhouette. They're on sale this week, 2 for $10. There is a 5 off of 2 digital I had on my account. I believe it's from 2 or 3 weeks ago. So $10 for 2 minus that $5 digital. I paid $5, but I got $8 back on Ibotta, $4 for each box, making it free and a $3 moneymaker. Now the Scott toilet paper, that's $5. There's an IVC coupon for $1.25 off. There's a $1 digital as well. Mine did not come off. It might come off for you. I'm not sure. So next is going to be the Axe. They are on sale this week for 2 for $8. There is a $5.99 digital off of 2. You're going to pay $2, but you're going to get a $2 register reward back, making it completely free. Now, the Revlon, it's buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy two, you get a $5 register reward. So the first one is $3.69. The second one is $1.98. For both, it's $5.94. I had a 4 off of 2 digital on one of my accounts, my last account actually, bringing that down to $1.94. Getting that $5 register reward back, making it free and a $3.06 moneymaker. Now, I saw on Jody Don's channel the Vaseline deal. So there's a Shopkick bundle for the Vaseline. When you purchase, let me put that together so you, there we go. So when you purchase these two items, you're going to get 1,350 kicks back, as well as 20 scan kicks for each product. So Walgreens is buy two and get a third one free. So you're going to pay for the 2 Vaseline and get the Neutrogena free. So the Cocoa Radiant Lotion, let me come up. Okay, so the lotion, that is $4.29. And the grease, what you call it, healing jelly, that's $5.79. You're going to pay for the 2 Vaseline, and you're going to get an item free. Now, the Neutrogena is $3.49. That was my free item. Ibotta has a $2 rebate. So you're going to pay $10.08. You're going to get $2 back from Ibotta and $5.56 from Shopkicks. So my coupons did not come off. So let me show you. Well, let me show you my receipt first. So for everything here was $31 and let's see, $31.83. Now my $1 coupon did not come off, as well as my $5.99 for the Axe. So the Vaseline, Axe, these are all of my products. The IVC coupon, I had a 7,000. I keep saying 7,000. It's not points anymore. $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend 30 paper booster. I had a $5 when you spend 25 digital booster, which both stack. So the $5 digital for the silhouette. I had 2 $3 Catalinas from last week, the register reward, and the $5 I received tonight for the Revlon. That's the $5. My total was $15.83. It should have been $9 and something or $8 something, but my coupons did not come off, so the manager asked me to pay, which I did. I received $12.31 back, as well as he gave me $10. I received $10 back from Ibotta. My Shopkicks is pending, which is going to be $5.56, I believe. And I got 630 fetch reward points. So this was $15. My total was $15.83, but I got $34.31 back. So when you minus that, my final cost is $24.67 moneymaker. So this right here was completely free, and I made $24.67, which is amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't do anything, at least do the Axe and the silhouette deal, because the Axe is completely free, and the Depends is a huge money maker. $3 is a lot to me. So, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, guys, so everything you see here was completely free and a $24.67 moneymaker. So I paid $15 and $15.83. I got $12.31 back, $10 from the manager, $10 from Ibotta, Shopkicks, $5.56, as well as $630 on Fetch, a $2 register reward, 5 off of 2 again for the Depends. So if Ibotta resets, I'm going to do that deal again. So I received $40.50 back minus that $15 and change. Then my final cost is $24.67. So everything was completely free, and I made $24, which is amazing. If you don't do anything, at least do the silhouette deal and the Axe, because those are completely free. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.